Sami University, Mr. Pakistan, at today I'll teach you osteology alarm system. With small backbone, and now I add this small backbone with help of, this door with help of double side tape, and I also glue a magnet with RU, using RU in the metal frame of the door, and this magnet position is a south pole to the center, north pole away from it. So when I open the door, it turns on the normally magnet detects the sensor. When door is open, it will detect magnet is removed and it can turn on buzzer and with green LED. And this time I am using a electric wire which is connecting my workbench. Into my power supply. I did 4 volts. Right now you can use a charger that showing into a door. You can use a rechargeable battery instead of this circuit. I use a demo. That's why I did power with power supply, so I don't have right now lithium battery. You can use a lithium battery or any rechargeable battery instead of 4.2 volts. Open it and test. Now open the door and alarm is turned on. Now close the door. Alarm is turned off and blue light is turned on. Green light is turned on. When I remove, green light is turned on, buzzer is turned on. Similarly, if you repeat them, now the door is closed, blue light is turned on and open the door, green light is turned on and buzzer is turned on. That's why this way you can make your storage system by yourself, but you can use a 3.7 volt to 4.2 volt battery instead of power supply. Circuit. Let's do the circuit. The first diagram. So there is the circuit. There are RF sensor use 276737, which is pin number 4 is negative, connect to a negative, and positive. Pin number 1 is positive, which connect the positive, and pin number 1 to connect buzzer positive and buzzer negative. Pin number 3 of the RF sensor same time. Pin number 3 is also connected to an LED, which is connected for the 7 ohm resistor to positive, and pin number 2 also connected an LED. Negative side and positive side is connected to a 7 ohm resistor to positive. So what happening is, first there is, when a magnet is present, when the magnet is present, the magnet south pole is present, LED number 2 is on. If magnet is not present or present with north pole, the LED number 2 is on. So if magnet is present with, I fix the magnet with south pole. So when door is closed, magnet bring is south pole air and this LED is turned on via this resistor. So flow resistor to LED to the sensor to the ground, and this LED is turned on, blue LED. Once this RF sensor is detected, there is no magnetic field. When it's latch out, door is open and it will latch out to a magnet. Pin number 3 is those on, and it is at voltage between ground to pin number 3, which turn on this LED as well as buzzer at same time. So buzzer at same time. So it will vibrate also the LED indication as well as vibration. So vibration when door is open. So first ground doors, directly sensor positive goes to sensor pin number 1 as well as buzzer positive, buzzer negative is that pin number setting output of the pin number 3 of the sensor, which is setting output, which is also drive LED via 7 ohm resistor to a positive, and there is one more LED which LED is to pin number 2 to positive. So normally this pin number 2 is active, which means output 1 is active when magnet is present with south pole. So I fix the magnet in place. When door is latch out, it will no magnetic field picked up by this, and it will turn on this LED pin number 3. Pin number 3 or output number 2 is active, which turn on this LED as well as buzzer. So it is also produce sound as well as LED light. So that is the circuit. Now that's is small the circuit is. And now this video can be done next video is full pause.